Hello guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Alex. I thank you for heeding to my call and subscribing to my channel. I'm very grateful. Continue with the same spirit. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. The moment you like, our videos are recommended for others to view. So the more the likes, the better. Thank you and welcome. There is something today I want us to learn about this 100 meters athlete from Kenya known as Ferdinand Omanyala. So let us listen into it first.
I remember in February when we went to them, nilikuwa na shuruma by the way, so we went to them nikawambia, hey manze, life imekuwa noma. Najua even last year during the corona period, it was a hard year because but for me it was like a blessing in disguise because I trained 6 months without any competition, and I believe
From whatever Omanyala is saying, you can listen vividly that background yake haijakuwa mzuri. He's coming from a very humble background, and the little knowledge or information I've gathered about him is that Omanyala was playing rugby, and somebody noticed his high speed and recommended to him that he should think of switching to track and field events, of which the guy did, and switched to the 100 meters. He trained very well, and we're being told that the first try he did, he was not selected for the Kenyan team that was supposed to go for the Olympics. The second one he did, he had a good time, and he had a good showcase at the national level and even international level. And we came to see Omanyala shining during the Kipkeino Classics that are usually held annually at Moi, Nyayo Stadium. And we're being told from that he was able to come up with a good time, and he was selected for the Olympics. So Omanyala star has been rising courtesy of the wife. Is called Lovenda or Lavenda.
what I did last year is what has pushed me to be where I am today. Because I was training without any goals. I was training because I want to get better today in training. I want to get better more. I want to be better than I was yesterday. So I trained for 6 months and we had no money. Thanks to my girlfriend. She was paying the rent and she was taking for
Guys, hapo ndio nataka to, the girlfriend was paying rent and taking care of the bills. This is a blessing. It's a blessing to have a supportive wife, a blessing to have a supportive girlfriend. And I think Omanyala was very proud of the girlfriend. By the way, they have a son together with the girlfriend. They have one son, and both of them were on the track events. Listen.
Wapi makofi ya mrembo? Makofi tena. Hawa wetu hawa.
najua sasa kupata ni noma. So ya ibeli ilishaisha. Sasa unapata zenye zimeraruka tu. So yeah, she was taking care of the bills because she was working. So alikuwa analeta dogo kwa table, anasema wewe fanya hivi, in your training, in your rent, in your food. So at least ukitoka training, at least ukirudi home unapata amechemsha maji hapo, ananikanda, nasikia smart. But everything now yep, yeah, so everything is getting back. So pia mimi pale nimefika sasa, nataka ku take care of her, so ata get anything she wants, and she's been part of this journey. I remember in
Thank you very much. You can listen to that once, twice, and third, or even thrice, fourth, as many times as you would want to listen to it. But the point here is that we have those people who can support your career. and we have those people who can bring down your career. We have those people who can brighten your star, yani kung'arisha nyota, as other people would put it. And we have those people who can as well darken your star. So Omanyala currently is the holder of the African record for the 100 meters at 9.77, and he was working very hard together with the support of the girlfriend so as to have a record about 9.67 there, 9.5, because his aim was to at least narrow down that world record, of which he was doing very well, was training very hard. But now with training came another challenge. We are told he had to recruit some good instructors, like gym instructors and the likes. So as it is now, we are told that Omanyala has separated with the wife, courtesy of the people around him. We are told that it is reported that he dumped the wife for the gym instructor, and they have been running a relationship for a while. That even Lovenda once said, you can keep a man, but once he decides to go, he will leave you. So this came as bad news to this athlete, because you see, when you have a supportive base, never neglect the hand that fed you. Never do wrong to that person that once held your hand to the top. So imagine the other day, one day ago, we had the Kipkeino Classics. Omanyala, the current record holder, was competing with the likes of Benerick from who last year he bet at that particular competition, and we are told, his record of 9.77, he was never close to at it. He was at 10.33, so you can imagine. So it's just a humble request. If Omanyala can rethink of what he has done, go back to the wife and reignite their relationship, because it was a good chemistry. They were doing very well. Why should success, when they are enjoying the success of their hard work, they are enjoying the fruits. They are enjoying the fruits of their hard work, is when now tribulations are coming in and now getting them back to their square zero. What do you think, guys? Should Omanyala and Lovenda come back together? But I highly recommend that that union should be reignited again through maybe intervention of various people who have seen these people rise to the top. Imagine having a standing ovation of both the former president Uhuru Kenyatta and Raila Odinga during the Kipkeino Classic last year, and now you are trailing at number 5 at 10.33. That is not good at all, and we trust Omanyala. We know he can do it, but now tafadhali Omanyala, rudia bibi yako, wacha mchezo mwingi. Huyo ndio anakujua vizuri, huyo ndio venye ulikuwa unasema alikuwa na kanda miguu. Alikuwa na kanda.
I remember in February when
hawa wetu hawa
najua sasa kupata ni noma, so eBay ilishaisha. Sasa unapata zenye zimeraruka tu. So yeah, she was taking care of the bills because she was working. So alikuwa analeta dogo kwa table, anasema wewe fanya hivi, in your training, in your rent, in your food. So at least ukitoka training, at least ukirudi home mapata amechemsha maji hapo, ananikanda, nasikia smart. But
anachemsha maji, anamkanda. So guys, what do you think, or what are your thoughts about this? Let's get interactive at the comment section. Please like, comment, and even subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Adios.